What I like about working here at Michigan State with Culinary Services is the support that you get as a chef. Outside of a place like this, it's few and far between an opportunity for you to actually get a moment of rest or support. So having multiple managers that are competent, employees that are well trained, and really helps not to put the burden on the chef as much as other places. My name is Dustin Ignash. I'm the sous chef here at Case Hall in South Neighborhood. I will be preparing a grilled flank steak taco with a grilled pineapple salsa with queso fresco with a cilantro lime rice on the side. I chose this dish because this region of cuisine is probably my favorite to cook. I love the Southwestern flavors. I love the use of fresh ingredients with fresh citrus. It also exemplifies proper cooking technique with protein like flank steak, proper marination, because that can be a tough piece of meat or however you want to slice it. And it's usually everybody's favorite, grilled steak tacos. Tacos are always a slam dunk because it's finger food, essentially. It follows that fast casual, quick, pick it up and eat it, street food, food truck. It touches on a lot of different trends that are in culinary right now. This dish has been served in this dining hall in the past. It's usually separate components that we assemble to order for them. If we want to dress it up a little bit more, we'll put the protein in a carving station and slice the steak to order, so it gives it that extra wow factor so the student knows it's as fresh as possible. The event that stood out the most was probably the first holiday dinner I ever did. The students don't realize how much work we put into creating all this food from scratch and putting on a nice spread for them, and they really do appreciate it when they come in and their eyes just light up. It's really rewarding and satisfying because all that hard work paid off and you feel a sense of pride when you're working here.